Namaskar and good morning to all viewers and friends. I would like to welcome you all on our Kids Magical Learning YouTube channel. This is 12 video of vocabulary marathon. Today's words are material, multiple, install, specific, and existing. In this video we will explain meaning of these words in English and Marathi language. Also we will show how this word are used in any sentence. So, let's start with our 12 video. First word is material. Meaning is matter from which any object can be made. In Marathi, meaning of material is use of word in sentence. The quality of the finished product depends heavily on the material used in its construction. Second word is multiple. Meaning is more than one. In Marathi, meaning of multiple is use of word in sentence. She has multiple talents, including singing and dancing. Third word is install. Meaning is fix any machinery in position so as to ready for use. In Marathi, meaning of install is use of word in sentence. I need to install a new software on my computer. Fourth word is specific. Meaning is clearly defined. In Marathi, meaning of specific is use of word in sentence. Please provide me with specific instructions so that I can complete the task accurately. Fifth word is existing. Meaning is which is still available. In Marathi, meaning of existing is use of word in sentence. The existing problems can be solved with the right approach and determination. Thanks for watching the video till the end. We will meet soon with new English words.